SSDs being the gold standard for storage now, it's always handy to keep a few around, especially if they have comparatively high storage and good performance. On that note, we would like to talk about the Verbatim VI550 series of SSDs, which provides a wide range of storage options, ranging from 128 GB to up to 4 TB. We've been working with the 4 TB variant for quite a while now, and in our video today, we're going to talk about the pros and the cons, but more importantly, if you should get one for yourself. So, without further ado, let's begin. In terms of design, the device strikes out as a sleek and compact 2.5-inch SSD, which makes it ideal for both laptop and desktop computers. Its slender and elegant design might not give out the proper idea regarding the powerhouse hidden within. The exterior of the drive is crafted with durability in mind, ensuring it can easily withstand the rigors of daily use. The drive also holds adherence to the SATA 3 or SATA Rev 3.0 standard, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. While all that sounds good, let's talk details about the powerhouse factor we mentioned earlier. The SSD is powered by cutting-edge 3D NAND flash technology, resulting in lightning-fast data transfer speeds that can scale up to 550 megabytes per second for read operations and 500 megabytes per second for write operations. Considering the speed, we installed our operating system into the drive, and it gave us near instantaneous boot times, lightning-quick application launches, and a reliable multitasking capability. However, raw speed is not the only perk this drive provided us with, as we also got exceptional reliability and longevity, mainly due to the SSD's inherent solid-state design, which basically eliminates the moving parts we can find in traditional hard disk drives. This not only reduced the risk of mechanical failure, but contributed to an overall lower power consumption and a cooler operating temperature. While it's obvious how this SSD is primarily designed for internal installation, the drive itself comes in a pretty compact size and lightweight build. This build makes it a solid option for those who are on the lookout for a portable storage solution. This means that whether you're a professional who needs a bunch of storage space, a student who's shuttling between classes, or just a media hoarder who have a tendency to save every movie or song as a collection, the VI550 has your back with easy transferability while making sure your data stays with you wherever you go. The first thing we noticed about the VI550 alongside its overall build was how easy it was to install. The included quick installation guide gave us a clear and concise instruction, guaranteeing that even people who don't have an idea of how to install an SSD and easily upgrade their system with confidence. Additionally, the drive is completely compatible with RoHS, also known as Restriction of Hazardous Substances Regulations. In our use case scenario, we found the SSD in an operating range of 0 degrees to 70 degrees, with a humidity tolerance of 5% to 95%. This means the SSD is more than capable of handling a variety of environments, making it a solid pick for both home and professional use. In summary, the VI550 from Verbatim is a solid powerhouse of an SSD that combines performance and reliability wrapped in a compact and stylish package. For power users and gamers, the super-fast data transfer rates directly translate to no more frustrating load times or stuttering during intense gaming sessions, alongside near-instantaneous boot times and lightning-quick application launches. For creative professionals such as photographers, videographers, or graphic designers, the 4 TB capacity will allow them to work with large files seamlessly. Additionally, the combination of high speeds and large storage ensures even the most demanding project can be tackled without having to deal with bottlenecks or delays. Overall, this is a solid pick for an SSD from Verbatim and comes highly recommended by us.